Are you worried AI might replace your career in the next few years? In this video, I'm going to show you the high-paying careers of the future that AI simply cannot replace, and why these roles will be even more valuable as technology advances. So let's just get started. Everyone keeps asking the same question right now. Is AI going to take my job? And honestly, that fear isn't completely irrational. Because according to research from organizations like the World Economic Forum, millions of jobs will disappear over the next decade due to automation. But here's the part that almost nobody talks about. While many jobs will disappear, entirely new industries are being created at the exact same time. In fact, historically speaking, every major technological revolution, from electricity to the internet, has actually created more jobs than it has destroyed. The real question isn't, will AI take jobs? The real question is, which jobs will AI never be able to replace? And the people who position themselves in those careers will likely become some of the highest earners of the next decade. We're going to break down 5 high-paying careers of the future that AI will struggle to replace. And the last one on the list might surprise you because it's something almost anyone can start learning today. Before we jump into the careers, we need to understand something important. AI is incredible at 3 things: processing massive amounts of data, repeating predictable tasks, and recognizing patterns. But there are a few areas where humans still dominate: problem solving, creativity and strategy, human trust and relationships, and high stakes decision making. So the safest careers are not the ones that compete against AI, they're the ones that leverage AI. Think of it like this: they'll be the people controlling AI, which brings us to number 1, AI systems architect. This is one of the most powerful and least talked about careers emerging right now. This role is essentially someone who designs how AI tools work together inside businesses. Think about this scenario. A company might be using ChatGPT for customer support, AI tools for marketing, automation software for operations, AI analytics for decision making. But someone has to design the system connecting all of those tools together, and that's where an AI architect comes in. And the salaries are already huge. Many companies are paying $150,000 to $300K per year for people who understand how to build these workflows. The key skill isn't coding, it's understanding how businesses operate and how AI can automate them, which makes this one of the most future-proof careers right now. Number 2, cybersecurity specialist. As technology grows, so does cybercrime, and the numbers are kind of shocking. Cybersecurity Ventures estimates that cybercrime will cost the world over $10 trillion this year, which means every company needs experts protecting their systems. Here's why AI won't replace this job. Cybersecurity is essentially an arms race. Hackers evolve, security evolves, new threats appear constantly, and while AI can detect threats, humans are still required to think creatively and outsmart attackers. Because cyber criminals don't follow predictable rules, this is why cybersecurity professionals command salaries between $120,000 and $250,000, depending on the specialty. The demand is outpacing the supply. 3, healthcare innovator. Healthcare is another industry that AI will assist but not replace. You still need medical scans, but it can assist with diagnostics. Patient trust, ethical decisions, human care. These are things AI simply can't replace trained professionals. However, the future of healthcare will look different. The highest earning roles will likely be professionals who combine medicine and technology and innovation. Telemedicine specialists, medical AI researchers, personal medicine experts, health tech entrepreneurs. Healthcare is already a $1 trillion industry and is expected to grow dramatically as populations age, which makes this one of the most stable long-term careers. Next is skilled trades technologist. This one surprises people, but plumbers and electricians are becoming incredibly valuable because physical world problems are extremely difficult for AI and robots to handle. Imagine trying to build a robot that can diagnose electrical problems inside walls or fix plumbing inside a 50-year-old house. The real twist is that modern technology is making these more in demand. Technicians are installing automation systems. Mechanics are diagnosing AI-driven vehicles, And many skilled trade professionals are earning six figures, especially if they own their own business. The highest earners will probably not be doctors, but hands on skill and technology experts. Finally, there's the creator slash educator. This is exploding right now. We are in the creator economy, and this includes people who build businesses around teaching online, creating educational content, coaching, digital communities, and niche expertise. What makes this so powerful is something AI struggles with: building trust. People follow other humans. They trust personalities, they trust real relationships with real creators. And that's why platforms like YouTube or online newsletters or communities like School are going to make six and seven figures and build entire brands and businesses for these people. But the real opportunity isn't content, it's expertise plus your audience. People who teach skills online are becoming the new educators of the digital age. So you got to future proof yourself. Here's a big takeaway from everything we covered: the safest careers won't come from one skill, they come from skill stacking, technology plus business, or healthcare plus AI, or education plus content creation. The more unique your combination becomes, the harder it is for AI or anyone to replace you. The people who understand this early will have a tremendous advantage for the next decade. If you're trying to figure out which skills to build or what direction makes the most sense for your future, I actually help people with this directly. You can reach out to me in the link below for paid coaching if you want personalized help mapping out your path. But if you're not ready for that yet, I also have a free email newsletter where I share strategies and tips that I don't post anywhere else. And every once in a while, I even offer free coaching sessions exclusively to my newsletter subscribers. So if that sounds interesting to you, check the link down below. And if this video helped you start thinking differently about the future of work, well, smash that subscribe button. You know how it is. And let me know what topic you think I should cover next, because the biggest opportunities of the next decade will go to those who are most prepared.